outdoor adventures, exploring nature, going on hikes, visiting local parks and zoos.
Outdoor adventures offer a refreshing break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether it's hiking through lush forests, strolling in local parks, or marveling at the wonders of the animal kingdom in zoos, there's something truly invigorating about connecting with nature. Hiking is like embarking on a journey of discovery. Each step unveils a new panorama, a hidden gem waiting to be uncovered. The crisp air, the earthy scents, and the gentle rustle of leaves underfoot create an immersive experience that rejuvenates both body and soul. From towering mountains to serene meadows, there's a trail for every adventurer, each offering its own unique allure. Local parks provide a sanctuary amidst urban landscapes. They're perfect for picnics, leisurely walks, or simply soaking up the beauty of the natural world. Whether it's the vibrant colors of blooming flowers, the soothing sounds of flowing water, or the playful antics of squirrels and birds, parks offer a tranquil escape where one can unwind and recharge. Zoos, on the other hand, offer a glimpse into the diversity of life on Earth. They're not just places to see exotic animals, they're centers of education and conservation, where visitors can learn about different species and the importance of protecting their habitats. From majestic lions to quirky penguins, each creature has its own story to tell, captivating audiences of all ages. Whether it's the thrill of conquering a challenging trail, the serenity of a peaceful park, or the wonder of encountering wildlife up close, outdoor adventures remind us of the beauty and majesty of the natural world. They inspire us to cherish and preserve our planet, ensuring that future generations can continue to explore and marvel at its wonders.